Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and subscribing. What are we talking about today, Claire?
Light bulbs.
Light bulbs, right. So on my way to work this morning, I'm coming down Cornwall. There's this car slowing down in front of me. It only has the left side brake light and the center light. It's slowing down and I'm getting kind of annoyed and I'm like ready to hit the horn, and then they turn right. So that tells me their brake light and right signal bulb is out. I get so annoyed. I come to work and says, Mike, we got to do a video on bulbs. Here at Urban Automotive, with every service you get when your car comes in, whether it's a flat tire or an oil change, we also do a courtesy inspection. And the very first thing on our list is checking all the lights to make sure they work. There's quite a bit of bulbs in your car. You've got a low beam headlight, a high beam headlight, a daytime running light, a signal bulb, a marker bulb, a license plate light, a reverse bulb, left signal bulb, right signal bulb, front left signal bulb, right left rear signal bulb, bulbs everywhere. Here's our cabinet full of bulbs that we have in stock here. We've got all these bulbs here. Oh, tons of bulbs. Empty box. We won't show you that one. More bulbs in here. And these are just covering the basic cars. Once you get up to the top, then we're hitting into the headlights, the high beams, the low beams, the HIDs, the LEDs, the regular bulbs. One fell on the floor. I hope that's okay. But just keep in mind that the fall season is coming. It's going to get dark soon. We want to make sure you're safe, because at Urban Automotive, we want everybody to be safe. So if you have a bulb issue or you're not sure if your lights are working, come in. We'll check them out. Urban Automotive, safety first.